Hello, Tito Henry. Happy 90th birthday po sa inyo. Ito po ngayon ang ating bayan ng Louisiana. Sigurado ko pong nami-miss nyo na ito. So, I take a few video ng ating Louisiana. Ito po ang ating sumbahang Katoliko. Malaki na po ang pinagbago niya. Ito naman po yung daan ng Rizal Street. Yan po sa tapat ay yung bundok Banahaw na tatakpan lang ng ulap. Ito ang bagong simbolo ng bagong Louisiana. Di sa kaliwa po, sa kanan po niyan yung dati yung Nara tree na malaki. Sa ngayon, wala na, patay na. Ayan, sigurado ko po na natatandaan nyo ang fountain na ito. Ito naman si Jose Rizal. Kung natatandaan nyo pa, ang ating ancestral house ay ito, ayun. Sa muli po, happy 90th birthday from Oyi and family.
Hello, Kuya Henry. Happy 90th birthday. Wow, champion ka. 90. Oh, kumusta na lang sa inyong lahat diyan? Mabuti at nakapunta dyan yung mga pamangkin mo. Kami ay malayo ay. Hindi kami basta makakaparian at saka mahirap na magbiyahe. Hindi pati basta-basta makakaparian. Sige, kumusta na sa inyong lahat? Kay Ate Rosie, na magbe-birthday din ngayong October. At sa lahat sa inyo. Sige, enjoy!
Kumusta, Tito Henry? Happy birthday!
Hello, Tito Henry. Kumusta po? Sana makauwi ulit po kayo dito sa Pilipinas para makasama naman namin kayo sa reunion. And then, gusto po namin kayong batiin ng Happy Birthday! Wishing you more birthdays to come and good health. Bye! See you soon!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy 90th birthday, Lolo Henry. Hope to see you soon.
Stay happy and healthy. Bye.
Bye. God bless you. Bye. Love. Sending loves. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hi Tito Henry, happy birthday po. Sana sa araw na ito, ma-enjoy niyo po ang inyong pagdiriwang kasama ang buong pamilya niyo. God bless po and stay healthy.
Happy birthday, Tito Henry. Wishing you good health and long life.
Happy birthday, Tito Henry! We just wish that we could have celebrated this milestone with you. Anyway, we know that you are overwhelmed by the love and by the love of your family, relatives, and friends right now. And we just wish you all the best in the coming years. May God's love, peace, joy, and be with you, and may you be able to create more wonderful memories with your family. We love you, Tito!
Towards Tito Henry, God bless.
Bye!
Tito Henry, may you have a year full of blessings and peace with the whole family. From us here in San Fernando, Pampanga,
Happy birthday,